Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, friends. If you're not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, do subscribe it today and press the bell icon to receive notification about my new videos. In this video, we will see how to fix setting account picture failed in Windows 11 operating system. I'm currently on a Windows 11 system and I'm at the settings app. And when I go to accounts, then your info and try to set up my account picture, this error occurs. Account picture error, setting the account picture failed. Please try again. And if I try again, the same error occurs. So if you are also facing this same problem on your system, let's see how you can fix it. So here we have two solutions for you, starting with solution number 1. In this solution, we will first open File Explorer. In the File Explorer, go to this PC, then local C drive, then select users. Then select your user account folder. Now select app data. This app data folder is hidden by default. So in case if it is not visible to you, you need to first click view, then click show, then select hidden items. Inside app data folder, click on roaming, then Microsoft, then Windows, then account pictures. Once you are inside the account pictures folder, you need to make sure that this folder is empty. Whatever content belongs to this folder, you need to delete them. And once you delete the folder contents and make sure that it is empty, you can retry setting the account picture, and this time it should work. In case if this solution fails, you can try our next solution, that is solution number 2. Before trying these steps, make sure you create a system restore point. Also in this case, we will open File Explorer, then go to this PC, then local C drive, then select program data folder. Program data folder is also a hidden folder, so you need to enable hidden items in File Explorer before you can go inside the program data folder. Then select Microsoft, then select Windows. Inside Windows, you will find system data folder. All you need to do is just rename this folder to systemdata.old, and this folder is located inside C program data Microsoft Windows. But renaming this folder is not that easy, because once you try to rename it, you get this folder access denied pop-up. Once you click continue in that, the next pop-up arrives which says folder access denied. You need permission to perform this action, and if I click try again, this pop-up keeps appearing. And since this is a system folder, you need to take first ownership of this folder so that you can rename it. So right click on it and select properties. In the property sheet, go to security tab, then click advanced, and here under advanced security settings, you can see that the owner for this folder is not displayed. You have to click on change button there, then click advanced, find now. From search results, select your currently logged in account, click OK, click OK, and in this way we have successfully changed the owner to our own account. Now here, make sure that you check replace owner on subcontainers and objects and click apply, click yes, click OK, and then finally click OK. So we have successfully taken the ownership of system data folder now. Now it's time to rename it. I will rename it to systemdata.old. Click on the continue button, and here we have renamed this folder to systemdata.old. Now you have to simply restart the system, not shut down. And once you restart the system, you can try setting the account picture, and that should work. In case if issues still persist, do let me know in your comments. I'll be happy to help you. So that's it for now in this video. Thanks for watching it. If you found it helpful, do like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.